In this video, you are going to see how to insert the WordArt in Microsoft PowerPoint. As you can see here, let's get started. Let us go to Insert and choose this option WordArt and choose a WordArt of your choice. Let us choose this one. Now you can add your text here. Add your text here. Now select the text, go to Home, make it bold and change the font to Lemon Milk. Now let us go to Shape Format. Go to Text Effect, go to Shadow. You can add a shadow over here. Go to Text Effect, go to Reflection. You can add a reflection. Go to Text Fill and choose a fill color of your choice. Go to Text Outline. You can add a outline from here very easily. If you want to add the gradient fill, select the text, go to Text Fill, go to Gradient and you can add the gradient of your choice. And this is looking very beautiful. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.